Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making jerk wings. So preheat your oven to 380 degrees and gather all the ingredients. I'm going to give you guys a tutorial on how to make jerk chicken in the oven the real way. Alright, let's do it. For the sauce, I'm going to combine garlic, some olive oil, soy sauce, thyme, some green onions, yellow onions, ginger, and scotch bonnet pepper, most important. So now for the sauce, after you cut everything up, you cut up your pepper, your onion, your garlic, ginger, thyme, everything. You combine them to your blender. And you're gonna add soy sauce. Now, once everything is combined in the blender, you're going to blend this for like 2 or 3 minutes. When you finish blending, you should have something like this. Nice thick jerk sauce. Alright, so we got our chicken wings here. I'm going to season with some salt, a little bit of pepper. Get in there real good. And jerk sauce straight from the blender. Everything I use is from scratch and fresh. I'm gonna get a good amount on there. I like spicy, so then just rub it in real good. Now you're gonna grab a pan, spray some cooking spray, add your chicken. Make sure to get it marinated well. So your oven should have been preheated to 380. So now we're gonna slide these in the oven. And we're gonna make sure that we time them. So in 25 minutes we will come back. So now we turn and then we go back in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. 25 minutes is up and then your chicken should be ready. Alright, now we're gonna plate it up. So you're gonna grab 3 to 4 pieces of chicken. So that's it, guys. And of course you could add whatever sides you want. You could have this with rice, mac and cheese, whatever.